keep watching to see how I achieve this look. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Miss Tiffany Nicole, and I am back with another crochet video. I know you guys are probably getting tired of my crochet videos, but I promise you more videos are coming where I will be reviewing like bundles and wigs and stuff like that. But since it's summer, I like to just wear little quick lightweight styles that are not too hot, and fall is slowly approaching, so I will soon have my bundles in, baby. But thank you guys so much for continuing to support my channel, liking my videos. Let's get into the video. This company by the name of ZRQ reached out to me to review the hair. The hair is on Amazon. ZRQ Jungle Box Braids. So when I seen the picture, I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. And I was like, yeah, I'm interested or whatever like that. So they sent me 7 packs of 20-inch crochet hair, and it is under $50, y'all. $50, 7 packs, 20-inch, under $50. And you can install this yourself. That way you can save like another $50 to $100 for the install, because I'm not really sure how much people charge to install like crochet style, but it ranges from probably about $50 to $100. So you're paying under $50 for 7 packs of hair, and you can install it yourself, which saves you another $100 or less. So yes, not knocking any of the hairstylists or anything like that, baby, get your coins, but sometimes you may not have those coins to be spending, and all you have to do is just, you know, get a crochet needle, and you can kind of go to the Africans to do your braid down. Ask your friend, you know, can you braid my hair down so I can do this style or whatever. But it's real easy, y'all, real easy. This is a old braid pattern that I have from my last video that I just posted. I will leave it here or here, and I'll leave it down in the description box, so go check that out if you would like to see my the fresh look of the braid pattern. So it is old now, but yeah, I decided not to take it down because I just didn't want to. So y'all, let me stop rambling and get right into this video. I wanted to open it with you guys. All right, so like I said, you can get this hair from Amazon. I will leave it down in the description box below. The company is ZRQ. You get 7 packs, 20-inch, and I got 1B. It comes with elastic bands, and that's it. So it comes with elastic bands and the hair. And this is how it's packaged. Okay, so I do get a crochet needle, because baby, I was looking for that crochet needle. I'm like, but I have a whole bunch of these anyway if they didn't provide it. But it did come with the crochet needle. I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair. You always want to moisturize your hair. Make sure your hair is good and moisturized, you know, under protective styles. So I just like to just put it on top of my hair and, you know, in between my scalp. Don't mind my deodorant, y'all. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So yeah, I'm trying to do this real quick, y'all, before my because I am working from home today. So I'm trying to do this real quick before my manager start emailing me with stuff. Let me open the first pack. And I think it will be enough for a full head of hair. And y'all, I know I said that I do recommend you guys washing your hair because, you know, we don't know where this hair is coming from or whatever, but I didn't have time to wash it. So yeah, don't be like me. Wash your hair. But hopefully this doesn't give me any problems. No smell at all. That's a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna count it and see how many. So I'm at 12 locks for each pack that we have. So like I said, it's gonna be real quick, y'all. It does not take long to install this at all compared to all of, you know, I need some scissors. Why am I trying to do this? I can. All right, y'all. So it is 9:44. 9:44. I am going to go ahead and install for you guys. All right, so it looks like it starts off with like a Senegalese twist in the front. So I'm not sure if you can really see that, but it starts off as a little twist, and then they braid it, and then they give you that little wing look, or I guess the butterfly look, jungle look. So that is that, and then this is the bottom of it. They braid it really small, and it may be sealed with a knot, so it's not going anywhere. So that's good. Don't worry about my edge, y'all. I'm gonna you know, put some little edge control. So let's get started. Pow! And that's in there. You know, like I said, this don't take long at all. So I've done that row. So y'all, I'm just about to go ahead and finish up. This is one pack. Real cute. I like this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the back part. Hopefully I have enough hair, but your girl is done. The lighting is so much better over here. I should have just started my video over here. Dang. It looks so good over here. Well, that natural sunlight is the best. So yeah, it is 10:21. 10:21, girl. Hey y'all, so I used all 7 packs. All 7 packs. If I had another pack, I probably would have put the other pack in there, but 7 was good. I like to make sure that I put most of them in the front so it can be full, and then I go to the back. So this is how it looks. So okay, so here is the front. I gotta do my edges, but this is the front. So here's the back. I hope I'm okay. So I feel like I can still style it, and everything covers up a little below my boob. My boob's right here, so right there. And I am 5'3". That's the back. It's really cute. Let me let y'all get into it. Close details. Ooh. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my edges. This is the hair, and I really love it. Like, it's really soft, lightweight, 7 packs was good enough for me. But if your head is a little bit bigger, I would suggest you probably get maybe an extra pack. I don't see an option that you can get it like just 1 pack individually. They only offer 7 packs and 2 packs. And the 2 packs is under $7. So I mean $17. It's under $17 for 2 packs. Additional 2 packs. So yeah, I definitely think that you guys should try this style. It's really cute. Great summer style. Even the fall, like you can still wear your braids in the fall. Now, these are handmade. They are handmade. So if you do decide to get these and you get your hair and you be like, oh my God, these are different sizes, blah, 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 blah. These are handmade, so don't be trying to critique all that just because they different sizes, because they may be different sizes because they are handmade. So let me show y'all. Like this size, like this is one size and it's a lot bigger, but it's fine with me. Like I don't really care because I know that you're not gonna probably get the same size every time. So look at that. So this is one size and here's another size. So y'all can tell those are, you know, not the same size, but then again, they are handmade. So, you know, and they're making a lot of these probably at a time to send out. So don't be all bougie talking about, I gotta send this back. No, it's good. I love this. I will leave everything down in the description box below. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you want me to do, you know, more of these crochet videos, let me know. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I will start doing more hair reviews, installs, dealing with bundles, wigs, and so on. Okay? So I won't bore y'all too much, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.